Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up C++ on Windows using code blocks. First, we need to download code blocks along with the MinGW compiler. Open your web browser and search code blocks download. And click the official link. Click download the binary release. Choose code blocks with the MinGW setup.exe. Click the link to download it. Open the downloaded exe file. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Next. Click Install. Click Yes. Click OK. Click File. Click New. Click File again. And click C/C++ source and click Go. Select language C++. Choose the location to create the file. In my code editor, I've written a Hello World program as an example. And click Run. In Terminal you can see Hello World.